Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1966 Corvette Roadster, Nassau Blue with bright blue interior, 327, 300 horse. Just an absolute stunning car. Love the color, very popular. But before we get into this vehicle, I'll tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are in Sarasota, Florida, on 301, just north of University, on the corner of Televast and 301. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. As I walk through quickly, just to show you some of the cars we have in inventory. And I do this not for a sales commercial, but about 65% of what we sell leaves the state. So I always like to show folks that we are real, as we've heard from some folks that there's some other things out there, but we are real. We are located in Sarasota, Florida. Got about 48,000 square feet, and we do have everything from, you know, luxury vehicles, as you see a Bentley Mulsanne there, to a pair of 2018 Demons, sequential VINs, to an MG we just sold, 64 Impala. Yes, you do see a 409 in there, but let's get back to the beautiful Nassau Blue 66 we're looking at today. And again, a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. As I mentioned, we do a lot of business outside of the state of Florida. So if you're interested in this vehicle or any other vehicle that you saw on today's video, we do ship. We do have shippers that can ship this car anywhere worldwide. So give us a call, 941-355-1955, and we can help you with your shipping needs. If you are looking for financing, we do offer financing as well. You can see the finance application on our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Let's get a little bit deeper into this 66. Again, the paint is in just beautiful, beautiful condition. Nassau Blue. Chrome is in very good condition. It's got the side pipes, the white wall tires, chrome hubcaps. Engine bay is period correct. It is a non-matching engine, but it is period correct, 327, 300 horse. Bright blue interior, 4-speed. Again, if I'm going too fast, please don't hesitate to look at the website, as we have much better pictures outside. And we do have pictures of the bottom of the vehicle as well. The bottom is just as nice as the top here. So we'll go ahead and do a cold start here, just so you can hear the vehicle. Show you that it is cold. Make sure we're neutral, obviously. Vehicle starts right up. Tach works. See, the clock is working. Let it warm up a little bit. Sounds fantastic. Engine sounds good. have a black convertible top. As I mentioned, if I'm going too fast with the camera here or not steady enough, please view our website. You'll be able to see over 100 pictures of the vehicle. This is a black top. Again, very clean. Carpet kit's in good condition. Does come on with a car cover, which you see here. Just an absolutely beautiful car. As I mentioned, you go online, you can see the underneath of the vehicle as well. Go ahead and shut it down. If you are interested, please give us a call at 941-355-1955. If you are interested in this beautiful Nassau Blue 1966 Corvette Convertible, 327, 300 horse. Or if you have any other questions or looking for financing or additional information or pictures of the vehicle, please visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Thank you very much. Appreciate you joining.